Hello everyone. Recently, ISRO has launched India's heaviest communication satellite for Indian Navy. Coming under the GSAT series, this one is named specifically as 7R. It has been launched by the launch vehicle Mark 3, LVM-3, from the Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. This LVM-3 is India's heaviest operational rocket and has 3 stages. The first one is the solid stage with solid propellant along with 2 boosters strap-on. Second one is the liquid stage with liquid propellant, and the third stage is the cryogenic stage with the cryogenic propellant. And it also has indigenously developed cryogenic engine known as the Thrust CE-20. This satellite is 4,400 kilograms. And this would be launched into geosynchronous transfer orbit, that is GTO. Then it would be settling down into the geostationary orbit, that is GEO. Now this would be at an altitude of 37,600 kilometers from Earth. This would be used for the multi-band communication in the Indian Ocean and also the Indian landmass. What is the purpose of this satellite? It would be strengthening the space-based communication. It would increase the maritime domain awareness and also create secure link communication among the Navy ships, submarines, aircrafts, etc. There are other military communication GSAT-7 satellites. For example, for Indian Air Force, it is GSAT-7 Rukmini. This is for the networking. The second one is the GSAT-7C. This ensures real-time communication. Do let me know in the comment section what is the GSAT-7 series satellite used for Indian Army. Thank you.